In what seemed like a scene straight out of an action movie, a police officer in North Carolina ended a suspect's life with a single bullet. Join American Copwatch as we explore this incident in today's video. Rodney Cook, a patrol officer and a 16-year veteran stationed in Chatham County, North Carolina, spotted a white Ford pickup truck moving along Harmony Drive in Siler City on the afternoon of May 30. The passenger was not wearing a seatbelt, prompting Officer Cook to follow the vehicle. After trailing the truck for a while, Officer Cook pulled it over on US 64. As per usual procedure, he approached the driver, cited the seatbelt violation, and asked the driver to explain why they weren't wearing a seatbelt. According to legal protocols, police have the right to stop a vehicle for inspection if there is reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation. Therefore, Cook's stop of Diaz was entirely lawful. At this point, an argument ensued, and Officer Cook requested identification from both occupants of the vehicle.
On 64 here, you didn't have a seatbelt on. The law says you got to have it on no matter where you're at on the road. It's your driver's license or registration.
However, they responded that they had no identification. Things began to spiral out of control when Officer Cook discovered what he suspected to be marijuana in the vehicle.
Any ID on you, sir? The reason why you wasn't wearing a seatbelt either? You just took it off? How much marijuana is in the vehicle?
When asked to step out of the car, the driver, 21-year-old Mark Diaz, emerged with a gun, attempting to confront the patrol officer.
I can smell something. You saying there's nothing in the vehicle? Alright, you want to step out of the vehicle then?
However, his lack of experience showed as Officer Cook ended the confrontation with a single bullet the moment Diaz stepped out of the car. The out-of-control truck rolled down a slope and crashed into a parked car, while the other passenger fled the scene. Following the gunshot, Diaz lay on the street, injured, still holding the gun. Cook could be heard commanding Diaz to drop the weapon or calling for backup.
Fire. Sir, let me see you. Hey, drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Harmony Drive at Solo Drive, Siler City. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Cook cautiously approached Diaz and removed the gun from his reach. He called for an ambulance and began performing CPR until the paramedics arrived.
City Police Department over there.
BDMAS 1018. I got one subject now.
I'm sorry, he pointed a gun at me, Cook said when backup and medical personnel arrived 8 minutes later.
Where's he shot at? Upper chest, upper right chest.
What we got here? We got a bullet hole?
No, there's only one shot fired.
Was it his?
No, it's my gun.
A responding officer told him to stay calm.
Let's just get him on here. We'll do everything back to truck so I'm not public side. Okay?
You could hear officers telling Diaz to stay with me as they performed chest compressions.
Come on. Breathe. Stay with me. Come on, sir. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3.
It was evident that Cook tried his best to provide first aid to Diaz after the shooting, indicating that the outcome was not what he intended.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 1. Come on, sir. Come on.
Under North Carolina's use of force law, police officers are permitted to use deadly force when they believe they or others face a threat of death or serious injury. In this case, Cook's actions could be deemed lawful since Diaz had drawn a gun and posed a direct threat to Cook's life. In North Carolina, carrying weapons is strictly regulated. Diaz may have violated laws regarding weapon possession and use, especially since he brandished a gun at a police officer. Despite the legality of the officer's actions, Diaz's death leaves a lasting wound on his family. During a prayer service following his death, Diaz's family expressed their disbelief over the shooting incident. Diaz's brother, Moses Diaz, told WRAL News that he watched the video with other family members on Friday. The funeral was held on Monday in Chatham County. "We know what our brother meant to all of us," Moses Diaz said. "What we know about him is in our hearts, and that's what keeps us together, to be honest." Diaz's mother, Matilda Diaz, spoke to WRAL News last month through an interpreter and said she wanted to know the truth behind what happened. She mentioned that her son didn't deserve this fate and that Diaz was a good person. She wants to see video or evidence showing he drew a gun or anything similar to justify the police shooting him, the interpreter said. Officer Cook was unharmed during the traffic stop. He has been placed on administrative leave pending an internal investigation, as per department protocol.
All right, you want to step out the vehicle then? Hey, come on, stay with me. B140, I need EMS 1018, CPR.
140, we're public service within now, we're getting to 17.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, sir, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sir.
This incident has impacted the community significantly. It underscores the need to foster a safe and trusting environment between police officers and residents.
Oh, God, Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, sir. Come on, sir.
Let's just get them on here. We'll do everything back to trucks on our public side. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Gun kid.
If you found this story intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from American Copwatch. Stay informed and stay safe.
He in this truck here, Rod. He was in this and it rolled after
Alright.
He got out after the shot. It rolled down. Just watch where he
Where's
at.
your supervisor at?
That's probably him. Just came up.
If you can, just keep everybody, let's say it, let's tape it off.
I get tape. I get tape.